A very good evening to you all. Another Friday evening. And I want to say a very big thank you to all those who have joined us around the globe on Facebook, YouTube, Zoom, and all over. Edu Friday say ya na nyina ye hyiamu na ye didi enkomo a na ye didi nkomo efa ekwan a ye betimi asiesie ye ho se eba se ye kọ oman Ghana mu a na nye se ya betino bi man so na ye bekọ na che se ye nsiesie bibia e ofie eno enene tap send enam so eboa ema yetimi edi dwumadi a ye frɛ se time with tap send on OT Media TV every Friday by Ayede Ebro. Meeting any Nana Kwame Oseitu. I'm going to be your host this evening. And what are we talking about this evening? We are talking about mortgages in Ghana. How you'll be able to acquire your dream home in Ghana. And omo mobile boa ama yedisa and komoing. Eye bank bia se e ban home finance ewo Ghana. Untimi enka institution bia na unja omu ewo mu meka eye First National Bank Ghana ene omo ena omo ba beka ye ho na ye ne unyina abom atwetwe enkomo na ansa na no abri nyina no nso no ye ne tap send for enso atwetwe enkomo na omo nso ema ye update efi omo aso ye na ye hunie sabri ho no nso ekoso na o ye tap send customer no join ye nso a na wo question bi a every bi beba mema ho akwenya within the program no na wo question bi nso a watimi abusa ye tap send na wotwetwa mu awie ye tap send ekopie mu ewo Ghana Party in the Park on my update na afi so yahwe come a year next month. What should we expect from tap send and also omo ebe my sa update no eniti mami ntwa me ho na memfa enkrato entwamu eno na chi no me de eye tap send omo growth director eye Koku Mauto and afi so eye co-founder for tap send Ghana na aduma comedy on bebro nenu na chi no ya twetwen komo on mortgages in Ghana.
Me did young antechua and maybe I'm discovered for Europe akoma busuafo for Ghana no me use tap send no fee mobile money transfer easy convenient fast and sounds so free won't ya she me discover ye mapim tap send Intienne also download the tap send app no ever mobile phone so free na first ka komo abusuafo for Ghana fa na nyina tap send papa no
Reminding you that this is the sound of Africa. OT Radio is live and alive. This is the time we open the house and this is the newest version, of course, the greatest time of our moments now. OT Radio has come to stay. Tune in on www.otradiouk.com, and of course we have live activities more coming on politics, sports, social entertainment, and everything that you request. My name is Sanko Fatichinan, so I'm going to be part and parcel of it. And of course, OT Radio has come to say this is the sound of Africa. Welcome.
I was for yes I am akwaba biem yo ye be say that eye tap send ase and they say oh eye UK hanomo a o check all the exchange rate within the remittance companies ubehu say tap send rate no e was soro pa and they wo eye 8.12 it is the best time if you want to send money to Ghana. Now say we need tap send app no e wo phone so and you may £5 but more than download the tap send app from Google Play Store or App Store. Now in the process of downloading ebebusa say promo code but Ghana e she hono ubenya £5 free of charge. Ye kopie mu ewo eye Ghana party in the park near Koso any near ebeba September ebeba August mu nyina Sabri mede eye ura Darren Abraham mede ne bebro na de Koso ewo tap send asoye no nso no ode ni nyina ede abre anwumre Darren mema ajo emo akwaba ede obadwumadi so.
Ghana, Cameroon, Senegal, Zambia, Zimbabwe, all the countries that I look after in Africa. So that's my job, and I own the product for Taptap in Africa. So I'm delighted to be here every Friday. I look forward to this time. I make the time because I know how important it is to get close to our customers and how important it is for you guys to ask me questions directly, for you guys to tell me what's going on in your lives and in your world, and also to share with you what's been happening with Taptap Send. So it's one of my favorite parts of the week. I have a very, very busy week. Every Friday, I look forward to coming here and talking to you guys and look forward to hearing what you have to say. Last week, there's a comment agree about the banks that you want to see, the new banks that you want to see added to the Taptap Send app. So Taptap Send allows you to send money from here in Europe to Momo and as a bank account. So last week I spoke about the bank accounts that you want to see added because we need all the banks represented. So from that, we got a lot of bank suggestions, and we're going to make a list and we're going to work on them. And that's the update from last week. So thanks for all of that. If you are on the call today and you want to tell me some more banks that you want to add, last week the most exciting bank was something like, I think, Abokobi Rural Bank. So media to listen also, and we would do our best to see how we can add that to the list. Last week, what happened last week? Last week, I called Ghana Party in the Park, which was an amazing time. It was good to be in the same place with lots of Ghanaians in Cockfosters in London. Ezekiel didn't come and say hello, but I was looking forward to seeing him. What happened at Ghana Party in the Park? We loved it. I had a great time. Now, the Ghana High Commissioner stopped by our stand to see us and talk to us. And it was interesting to see that he uses Taptap Send himself. And he uses Taptap Send to send money home. So he said, we are the reason that he's sending quite a lot of money home. If the High Commissioner is using Taptap Send and he's saying Taptap Send is the best, then I recommend it very highly to you. If you haven't downloaded it or haven't used it yet, the High Commissioner is using it. We are all using it. Everybody's excited by it. And I encourage you to tell your friends and your family that even the Ghana High Commissioner is excited about Taptap Send. Clearly, I can't use the clip commercially, but this is what he told me. And he was there. And he knows what he said. I know what he said. And he said he uses Taptap Send. So we are very happy about that. He got his phone out and he showed me, which was really good. So that was Ghana Party in the Park. And I got the chance to talk to a lot of you. There was lots of raffles and people won lots of things. The guy who won the big raffle, there was a big teddy that we were carrying with us. Some guy won it, and him and his wife were very happy. So it was very happy to see all of you at Ghana Party in the Park. That was last week. We are still continuing a pop-up store in Birmingham. So we started this idea, say we will place ourselves in some part of the UK so that you can come and see us if you want to. So if you have any issues, like you have some kind of, almost say, bring some documents or upload your passport, or you have some questions about things being asked in the app that you're not sure of, we are trying this idea. So we want to place somewhere in town where you can come and see us. So we started doing that in Birmingham, I think 2 weeks ago, and that's still going on. So check your emails. There's a particular place in Birmingham. I don't know the exact detail, but there's a place in Birmingham where our team will be there and they can help you and they can answer your questions. We are thinking of other places. So one of my big pleas to you is that if you have or shop be and answer or corner be or London be and now some place in UK that you think that Taptap Send could stand there and there'll be lots of Ghanaians that we can talk to, then please, I am definitely all ears and I would love to hear from you. So let us know and we can plan something, because what we know is that this money transfer business, and yet all that simple all the time. And it's not always that simple to upload your details yourself, answer all the questions. So if you come and talk to somebody who is Ghanaian like me in person, now you're church or more, it makes life easier. We do that on this call to an extent, on this program to an extent. But if you want, we can help a whole lot more via the pop-ups that we are doing. Also, last week, they're not coming out shortly. last week, the rates have been very, very good. And the reason is the Bank of Ghana rate has been quite good. If you look at the Bank of Ghana rate, it's been going up, which means that our rate has been going up. I mean, what I know is clearly, Ghana would like the rate to be the other way, right? But we would like the rate to be higher, because if the rate is higher, then more money ends up home. But at the same time, you need to say, if the rate goes up, then it means that the CD is not as strong as it should be. But the good news for all of us who are here sending money home each week, each day, this week we've had some fantastic rates. It started at 8.03, and I'm going to say, 8.03 and also. So I sent some money home. Next day it was 8.09. I'm going to say, that's even fantastic. And let's say it's even gone higher than that. So the rates are looking very good. So if you are making any savings in Ghana or sending money for investments in Ghana, like me, say I sent a lot of money home this week because I'm putting some money aside for some things in Ghana. Into rating a good no. Quickly, I sent some money because there was some more. The rates are good right now. If you're a Taptap Send customer, please send now. The rates are good. The rates are very, very good. The rates have been good. And then the last 2 days we have this program called the Frequent Sender program, where if you send more than 5 times in a month, you get automatically entered into a draw to win something. Last month, a lady won an iPad. She was very, very happy. I think she was called Malizi. In Egypt, London, in Egypt, she was extremely happy. This month, may I sure say there's flights at stake. Don't quote me on this. Nana is coming, who is the co-founder for Ghana. She can tell you a bit more when she comes. But it's the last 2 days of it. So if you've sent 4 times already, it's time to send one last one to make sure you get yourself entered into a prize to win a free return flight to Ghana, I think is what's on offer. So Nana Kwame, I know you've come back. So that's what's happening with Taptap Send. I'm here all night. I'm excited to see all of you. I would answer any questions you have, and I'll be here in the comments and talk. I'll come back to you.
Thank you very much, Koku Mauto, Growth Director for Africa, Taptap Send. Said yeah, Oma Onyane Ntieno. Last weekend, Taptap Send ko PMU Ghana party in the park. Na ya honoma ena Ghana High Commissioner eba e stand ebe srayen na omayenya ntie se ever since oba krumhanum as Ghana High Commissioner wasan aba biem as Ghana High Commissioner meka eye Papa Ousu Ankuma Ghana High Commissioner to UK o say Taptap Send enu oyusu enti se Ghana High Commissioner yisu o twen den se unya yusu ya ene download it. Na use promo code Ghana ubenya £5 free. Yenhwe video we at the Ghana party in the park. Right after that, may the representative for First National Bank Ghana Ebebro, and we'll be talking about mortgages in Ghana. Yenhwe video we.
Okay, let's go.
Right, so this is Taptap Send, yeah? I just want £10. Definitely have to use Taptap Send. It's free to use. And I like sending my mom a lot of money and all the side girls. Take care.
Maybe I don't and then maybe send you t-shirts, my Jimmy Max, 3 pens, bag of grass and way free. Just come with me. Never send me. Commission be any. Money transfer this time, they are the highest rate. Taptap Send. And you also answer what Taptap was. You can never send this and aqua from no love.
Upload the ID.
So me, I give it to you. So,
Your number for your sister.
Before we decide the winner,
but I see Taptap. I've never really had it's too good, but it's bad.
No. See, when you send once, every time you know that when they ask you to send, then tap. I think they do a monthly statement. No, they do. They send a statement.
Yo, abusiafo se de unya ntie no Ghana High Commissioner o se Taptap eye papa. Yo, enwumre mi ma unya ntie se ye bedi nkomo afa mortgages ho. Nititu eba mortgages ewo oman Ghana mu a. There is only one institution ubetimi akom ho a omubetimi ayewo emwa. Ene nyame aye yadom omo ena yenyom aba beken ho aye ne omo eba betwetwe enkomo. Wo hwe yen promo ye de call out ye ma onya ntie se ye ne eye wo mo penny pa baako owo eye First National Bank ena enwumre na nke se wo badwumadie so na ene na etwe enkomo na wa wunim Ghana trafficking sensem ene ade na wo fi dwumadie baako efitakrade eba wo man yenya ntie se oba be kan ye ho ansa na efiti dwumadie ase ba as ye mene ekasai wodaso edi traffic mu enche migidi se obetimi aba bedu na aba be kan ye ho na ansa na no de yensa aka another representative from the bank ye Ura Jeffrey Abuajemensa wono mortgage advisor ewo First National Bank wono na nwumre ono eba beken ho na yene no atwetwe enkomo Jeffrey abrante bia oye ni bi ewo University of Ghana efi hono wone MTN ekoye adwuma between 2011 and 2012 wo fi hono mo Sika Homes and so enyom koye adwuma around 2013 and also 2014. Jeffrey moved from Sika Homes to Ghana Home Loans a year around 2015 to 2018. And Ghana Home Loans edidimoa and a wamodiomo akobata another jumekua and ye from a year First National Bank. Jeffrey Ababe yɛbɛka yɛn ho ɛwɔ Zoom no so. Jeffrey, good evening and welcome to the show. Time with Taptap Send.
But that's a pass, Mama Makunya, say, member a church and your pa, a Ghana home loans, a First National Bank, what the man, Abuchi, and Yamanone. I hope so. Pachomotim can clear.
Yet one can senka ubet me, I'll meet, ubet me aba video amayaka, yeni beje pa.
Okay. Wait a minute. I mean, so me camera.
I saw camera no. Producer for advert baku etwemu mame na Jeffrey enso ne camera na you say enye obiya kekebia na yene ne kasa. You say eni papa ne yene ne kasa. Ultimate patete bibia china me kasa sa.
Mobile me chance I can make the map go through near your pa First National Bank and what the map. Now say questions be asked
that would have been good.
Is it possible so bet me about video am I? Me say ubenya kwanya no akasa na me busa say is it possible say ubet me about video am I?
Think about it.
Now me say what
I very cool.
I don't know if so but have a dark.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
yeah, back on and come to train so. Jeffrey,
yeah.
Say and sana yakoye come to train so. Ke ni beje pa.
City Hakram Papa.
The patrol meet me start here now, madam.
I have also parking in London parking.
Right. Ebio Medamasi, Medadaro Swasi. I spoke to Darrow not too long ago. I thank him for the opportunity. And just as you said, yeah, executive director, I'm quite so, but I'm sure said definitely, you know. Every man who obey First National Bank and the customers it's actually a very wonderful thing. Just the same way you guys offer, you guys get to take mortgages in the UK, you know, the same way Ghana has also a bank, a First National Bank, they offer customers. Now, to say the kind of Ghana home loans to take and Ghana home loans, you all free to take, and then you start to Juma, bank, a First National Bank, First National Bank. To be sure, say a lot of you out there, Ghana home loans, Matianka, a Juma Yedina, no one you the now you can say First National Bank, what do we have to offer? I feel we crown there's something different about your friend a year of home ownership, your whole 2021. Now a campaign here you to see what say if they say you bought Obibia or Shisha Dayato. Impose of Asasiato and also also see on one day we offer construction mortgages, we offer land mortgages, we offer home purchase mortgages. And it's where the woman may go through products I work and our products I offer. Not me if I'm go through processes, no, the interest rate I am now if you are not business I think. And see, you can say Ghana home loans and our First National Bank, what we offer, you offer products, Marco 6. You offer home purchase loan, which is the home purchase mortgage. Home purchase mortgage, and you say, you're looking to buy your first property, and I say, oh, fear that cry, you want to buy another property. Will offer you the mortgage or offer you the facility to be able to buy the new property that you're looking for. And Timo Mutia Butchi, some more dial to Mongo Daibo Ghana Hard, Masi, Takrade, and Crime. Mobile Soya, Mobetimia, Mobetimia assess facilities are number they are taught dying. Any of products this way on this mortgage. Now, with an homeowner's mortgage, you know, what it means is you have a home or you already have a house and you're looking to release equity on that property. And now here's the show business bimo. And I'm pulling here Scacra put their ship on your Mafia Buchaba. But who fear is the gone, who fear or Jagano, who feel massive, maybe a dear bra a honjo. So who here's Eddie could share business now the anymore. And now here's Capradia clear on your mouth port. And now here's Capradia cranium bagana. Oh, by a swear, yeah, the hands of my proof set a dino, you own the property. Proof in the sense that you have to give us a copy of your land documents. It could be a registered indenture, it could be a title document. What the documents be all assassin to crowd the fabra, you bet you near wow, near to my process now simple amount. And see, and also any home construction, home completion mortgage. Home construction completion mortgage, no. And no, if you have a land already, maybe I was assassin. What was assassin in chain? We were doing a dino, but would you be in waka? Oh, yam waka crash. Oh, by a say, I hit your ball. And it's easy. You just have to prove again that you own the land. So at here, or by my and your documents, a building permits. I just have appropriate assemblies, register. So who see that crowd was asked so. Over my architectural drawings for us to see exactly how the designs or how you intend to build the house. So at here, one might be different. The bill of quantities. The bill of quantities, ever spelling out exactly how much money or how much amount to be able to complete or to be able to build a project, the building from ground up. It's a bill of quantities. Because maybe I'll be here scar their efforts. Maybe I'll be here scarcity their efforts. Ube here kakra at the to window level. Ube here kakra at the roof electricals. So bill of quantities no bedding. I bet you Nina say Udi only obey my yama to set the kind. It's easy. You let us know. We definitely will help you out, or we will assist you in that aspect as well. Home construction completion is work on. Any home refinance loan, and on our yes, or more, if you're more or Ghana, how if you are what your mortgage be or bank be, and our year day, what they told that. But services here, the amount, and what papa, when you rated the amount of which I said, I can't mean that. You can come to us, let us know your problem, then we assist you. We'll pay off that loan for you and give you a better service. As if you coming to us for us to be able to give you a facility, give you good interest rates, and give you good service along the line, which you are alone, the crowd issues, your dedicated team they are always there to assist you. So, and also hold on, any old land purchase, mortgage, no. If you are assassin, but did you home? Open so to assassin. Oh, by a sway, you better now they are assassin. So I see, I don't need land purchase. And a land purchase, no. I can't say, what to assassin, yeah, quite to be a see, we know how Ghana is getting the land. You buy a land from someone, then somebody will come and say, oh, this land is for me. Another person will come and say, oh, and I got this land from so and so. At the end of the day, no, I frustrated. People complain a lot. But with us, when you come out, we'll do proper due diligence on the land that you wish to buy to make sure, say, assassin issues behind your day. Any so, no, Chinanku Obiama mechanical and assassin by media, and I mean, I'm a toy, and I mean, I'm ESC. And see, we offer land purchase mortgages to customers as well. And your new products be about and no cardi and your friend save to own mortgage. Now with the save to own mortgage, the ANSA, Ebia, Uye wild business. Not necessarily Crampo say be your wild business. They be your door to door, for example. Door to door business now, a wild brochure, but all what register be so Ghana have. Now, okay, say, Uye de, Otofie. But because door to door business, now, as and when, Ebia ne Obenyeska, Obed Yoma Ghana, now in Yescam Famba. Nti amount of finances nature than the day NCC suye save to own a product beer a homa obisa and I am po uye wawe juma but also ye taxi business on the side uye uber uye bibia amount income on the side income no you can say a irregular and I NCC oba ye hwa the here say also prove it to ye as say okay me ko to dine way a dine way no ka oba ye ho na ka credit and I'll be okay ne ke amount sa loan ma to dine na ka busumi bia no e bia obetua $200 and 180 pound and 300 quid so at you say to prove it and say you can pay that money for a maximum period of 2 years. So as you can also outshare to account Akwa say in si hu a savings na wo ye. At the end of the 2 years, we give the money back to you because at that point, while your work complete to savings period. And to save to only there something different, something new. And I'm sure a lot of people over out there will be very, very interested in this product. It's just to prove. You can even choose, say, no, this is what you want. You want to be able to raise money for your down deposit by saving towards the mortgage or saving towards the house that you wish to buy. So, and also see a product heading. Now, say, buy your mortgages now. Features a mortgage in the say loans now, we give a minimum $20,000, or it's equivalent in pound, or it's equivalent in cedis. But the maximum we can give, maybe how much you want. And see, at least there was a loan amount now where they the minimum $20,000, or it's equivalent in pound or cedi. And I 10-year customers up to 20 years. And see, if you're looking for a facility, you can take the loan for up to 20 years. However, you should be able to pay off the loan by the time by your 60th birthday. And see, so age, banner say, you're 50 years out, we will give you 10 years. But if you can prove, say, you can work further above the age of 60, engagement, just communicate that to us so that we can look forward to help you or to do something that will suit your need. Do you get it? See, that's another feature of our mortgages. And interest rate, man. Ghana, obviously, you can even check online and do all your background check. First National Bank interest rate is the lowest. And this year, the year of home ownership campaign, we are telling every customer that if you come to us, we are going to give you a discount on your final rate. And to Ababaji mortgage now, Waji loan every year, there's a discount, yes, amount discounts, interest rates near the amount also. Strong. And the base rates currently are 12.5%. So OJ dollar 12.5. So OJ pound put in lower than that, around 11.85. And it's up to you. They'll share wow. More or less like education. This is what I have. This is my income. Then we'll do an initial assessment, and based on that assessment, you should not say pound in the babuawa. You should not dollars in the babuawa. You the mount. And age now also. So we should not say now pa. Near conclude near the normal. Until you say base rates for dollar 12.5, for pound 11.85. So what you say, and now buy a household minimum deposit towards any mortgage or babbage. You say open so babeto a dime. Now you be loan cry, you be up to 80%. And I bet up to 100%. Nina a documentation I'll be presented into buy and chain 9 loan no penny 50% of the property value we can give it to you. If you want 80, we can give it to you, provided you communicate to us, you let us know exactly what you're looking for or exactly what you need. First National Bank is there and we are willing to help you. Now, say why you are doing say open so babeji mortgage? Your process fast. Like this year of home ownership. The catch will be say within 5 working days, I will show you approval. And now for now be banny be your konebra debi. So oba ye ho na o document intact. Now only issues be me patrol. What they hear communication or the catch and say or be a Jeff and I will be out in the come up in a call center. Maybe I need a mortgage. I have my pay stubs, I have my bank statement, I have my credit report. The BIA will be out there submitted. Within 5 working days, we'll get a response for you. And Sanya now process say unya submit a document within 72 hours. Near Mao, will be a friend letter of intent. The letter of intent in the Mao breakdown of how much we intend to give you. Base rates, repayment amounts, indicative transactional fees, and all that. And Oshemu sign now they are brave near Twaso. nti to aso that means ye can call approval no ha no. The moment you be assess you be wie, you be show credit history, credit report, you be show bank statement to pay stubs out there my, you be show wow any kind of documents out information out there my. We'll look at all that. Then based on that, we'll approve your loan. You approve your letter called a facility letter. Now, this facility letter will spell out all the conditions a Bosiana origin. And I will say, Osama a document biome before say you be chase kanama nipana auto dine in China developer no ha. Will spell all that information on the facility letter. And the about is also say we'll make sure that we'll provide a letter to the developer now auto dine for the developer to know exactly what he or she will have to also provide to us. It could be says or born danger amount so maybe or provide other documents and ever one kasana auto dine because to say them kind need due diligence for dine and only approval letter now pet near starting a due diligence process. You have a lands commission. You be making sure any panel to assume as you corner and bentin corner to dynamo a dynam pay diana nipan or to dynamic free wine home. The best you so only issues because outer will help or will assist to make sure that we resolve the issue. A dyna nipan to amount a dino libon and one on one and now the account nipan or said dyna $70,000. Your evaluation by said and require $50,000. It's a evaluation to make sure say nipa insisi we also be MPCC enti okoto dan na say nipa no ko hu dan for say hwe asase we meto na boarding say meto ne say now or the price can see be den abochi. We'll make sure that we'll do evaluation on the property to make sure say the value na a developer na vendor no ton dan amount value no e match pepepe ninya e be ya ayede ama wo customer no ye ni na wi a process o say bra na be sign mortgage agreement so ti abuchi a enya hwe obetima ye power pattern and documents above lawyers above video or bibia ye scan ni ayede ni send power pattern in amount enti wo abusuani bo Ghana hanom adamfo bi Ghana how Jimmy dia that person can come in and represent you and sign the documents. If you don't want it that way, we can also courier the documents to you in the UK for you to do what to sign and send it back to us. Now, to say the can't beginning, why you're ready? So your process now. Documents are here few your proof of ID. So Ghana passport or my Ghana passport. Scan and BBR between us and my email. You don't have to even courier it to us. Or scan or Ghana passport or British PR or scan my or driver's license or scan my or residency permit or scan my. It's my passport picture. And also so now only passport picture between my mobile child selfie and our picture, clear picture of your portrait picture of your head up to your shoulder level. Ultra picture now widen what's in your mind. Not change baby out to UK. It could be a utility bill, council tax, be a document we have prove say, okay, me fee me address me. Or send my tenancy agreement, meaning we accept it. So you have to provide us proof of address. Now we are saying give us proof of income. The proof of income is your pay stubs or pay slips and your bank statements. And to share your last 3 months. Or pay slips are 3 months ni okay kabu manual scanning. Or bank statement 3 months, okay kabu manual scanning. Why then? What's in nearby? So we are Juma. Okay, provide us with a registration document. The company is in your name. Provide us financial statement. Or the only financial, my 3 years bank statement to see some business and say now your credit guys no shima. One was a business and see your mouth ebia sikasia ubetimi hiding etwa ho kama and to be providing all these documents. And you say some your credit report. Credit reports, your Experian or your Equifax, your TransUnion, all these credit bureau companies, we work with them. And to make sure, so when you detailed credit reports, meaning sometimes you have to pay some money to be able to get access to it. So if you pay that money, they'll give you a detailed report, then you add it to the application documents, and I will send them in for our review. And so that's also part. Now, Nipano auto dynamo, Nipano be ye friends offer letter. And I sales and purchase agreement. And Tiwako Hunipano, Ebia Oba Ghana one time share dining offer now Ghana, you send the person to have a look at the property and come back and also come and give you feedback. At the end of the day, and you are interested in the house. So only develop an akasa now only a dine run akasa. Now also but more dynamo so and so price. There was some agreements. And it's our agreement and an answer offer letter no or signia or obema also be signing. And to Oscania, no be a copy. Me patriotia say and I say person and go and follow up and pick up the documents on your behalf. So I say, and see, we're going to top on application process, documents here. No, to say them kind. It's the same way. Obey to dine war. UK process. I'll be go through that same process. Obey go to Ghana. Hano. Now, to say them kind. This year, Joho and a year of home ownership 2021. Yeah, I didn't say you better offer and your customers. Your developers and your carbon my yes our campaign. It's yeah, I didn't see a giant and watch now. And she said, who a dime be no one need your home. That's all by and China outside developer you'll be any assigning your home ownership plan anyway. Need dino at the census saying automatically a swati. A so better. Your developers will be your Saka homes, your SBJ, your also Adum City Estate, your what I say, Bebri, I had your yes our campaign. And Tiano so by and channel per se wow. Now Usha Dina, your bedding, you bet me assist on that. And you say your amount discount on property price, which is because of the fact that we have agreements with these developers and we are willing to cut, and these developers are willing to cut down on the property prices for customers. It's a no. Yeah, I didn't say, oh, bar, all the documents in the bar within 5 working days. I say, you approve amount. It's a faster turnaround time. And you have to be your cobra. It's the Yana so when you're dedicated, or by your white PP. It's a say now, pay. No buying chain. When you're buying chain out to pay. If you are at the amount. And I agree to say, have amount discount on interest rates, but you can't want some better. And to discount on interest rates, no so here, BBI, they pushy. You won't say any easy, sir. And I who says, I mean, OBI, COVID bar issues will be coming up. And it's just an incentive to push people to actually not forget of their dream of owning a home. Come back, make you, why are you saying you want to live here in Ghana or you want to get investment here in Ghana? What's your home now? You were Juman, who bet me to feel now renting out. Now, who did you home? So I say, in now home. So I say, now, baby, you know, me person me can transactional as in prices on your mortgages no. Oba and China open loan na. They said me can your dollar, your pound. And it is a open dollar now. It comes with their own interest rate, which is the base rate of 12.5. Now, apart from that, you know, they say also pay mortgage. You know, process never go through more. It comes to the cost. Your application fee. Application fee now you charge the customers, you know, 1.25 for the loan amount. So what you say, it is up a pound or per dollar, you charge 1.25% of the loan amount. Now, Patricia, we won't take the money before we even start the process. No, we will make sure say you go through documents and process so, assess so, and making sure say you have an approval. Once you get an approval, and look how you decide that look, I want to continue, and if I want to continue, I need to pay my application fee. And if I have to pay my application fee, I need to open an account. My patriotic is here. And yen shit, say by force to share and Sunday start there be bra, yen shim, making sure say ubenya, unye ria and Sunday charge you say scano. Now says can create charge on and one the due diligence amount. And one the way of searches, no, the bay evaluation, the bay legal opinion, bay your maybe application now yelling, or yelling, or so. Now so your registration deposits or registration deposits no are important for registering your title because at the end of the day you know what title no and it says if you need or the anameboa and title na be cost register ma and yes be register and ya disburse loan no there be because you need him title per Ghana obre ya disburse loan ni wie e ma wa vendor na nipa na to dan if you no ye indenture ma indenture no we nche ye be toa so to make sure that we register your interest on the land amount. And no comes at a cost. Any friend registration deposit, a 1.85 of the property value. Me patriotic say, and the same for dollar, the same for pound. And no, and your insurance component, so insurance, so chia, and also no property insurance. I know the mandatory. I was OJ in a sense, BB to see no air fire, and I BB CCC. So property insurance now Chiano. Everything aboama or hubato. Now property insurance so it's paid yearly and monthly, baby. And then no insurance company be our person new year, you may be our Ghana have their wide whoop and outcome. Then we'll do it for you. Now, we say wow, so open life insurance. I know the property insurance is mandatory, but life insurance is not mandatory. If you choose to do it, you do it. If you choose not, it's up to you. Me patriotic here. And tell us so. And see, me presentation and competition beba again, your friend Jeffrey Mensah, but me contact but all the same. I'm available for all the questions I'm winning. I am a digital pass and I'm joining show. Now me dadaro ne opinion on also all screen so ase. Enti mo ha questions bia will be Mr. Bomodiana Tomame na me so me yeden. Me chechu ma na me answer. Enti me da ase. All right. Thank you.
Yo, Jeffrey, you better see any say when you're on a short notice, boss got stuck in traffic. What your opinion say and over joining or show you so na only about trisa and come yeah, that's bebre. Jeffrey, what can more products are more land purchase, home completion loan, construction mortgage, save to own, refinance mortgage. What kick up products ni na yeah that's it. Na yen share BBT say credit process and credit risks. Edien na ya mo hwe ebetimia base ebia mobeka say due to this and that only pay he doesn't qualify for mortgage na or hwe no through your credit risks assessment.
Okay, but that's now say you can credit reports now. And your my near tash and say first of all, now say credit reports are detailed in a sense. I won't say what me call computer so could be where what do you call ultimate PC so no be for credit bureau no check summary. I say what should say the score you see but there be any a detailed one. If you have your credit cards be in the past, if you have your normal 1 or 2 car loan be we to year was secure in terms of credit cards now phone now your friend is saying mortgage impo senior wuchia na ye hwemu na se ye hu se afibi ana se bosumi bi mu no wan che da nhwe yi e bia utwe ne basa bi e wo so che and ko nti a utwe ne basa e bia oje phone kra ma wo ma e bia oje wo phone ma wo cousin bi ofri Ghana aba wo cousin bi o so yo si internet so or ye say owie no wa mo hu e ka aba wo so wadwen kra wo refi nti nyo bi sa ne ye pese hu then they see what credit reports, especially if there are late payments in there. You should be able to give us the reason or what exactly happened that late payments. If you sukra mpo hono ma asemba so ma collections here the and see my evidence say say ampa will try as much as possible to resolve the issue. Akwa say engagement you have to tell exactly what is going on. You don't have to just tell us this happened 7 years ago and now 4 years ago. If you know let us understand the problem or the issue that happened. Better. Once I bought products to be me home purchase, me home construction, me land purchase, me save to own, me back with friend refinance and it's ebia ko obi akwakoji loan wo baby na ebia services near poor honum ontimi ntwa no enye so ontimi ntwa over services near very bad one switch by ho saa so na abrochire wo ho a e bia ogi loan bi o baabi e bia on a monthly for your standing order sientete boso me bia baba ka kwhwe no bank na say enomti o cha no mti obi laziness ka bi because of a no nti na bia na credit report baka kwhwe no na o score that form yes yan wo kra wontwia wo mortgage enum bi sa na yehwehwe tell us exactly what's happened na yen hwe so na yehwe na say ye betimi aboa wo ye betimi ayeden aboa wo enti enyo me bi sa na na eta ha adwin kakra e bia late payments e bia default but at the end of the day you should be able to justify and give us a good reason why we should go ahead with the kind of reports now they are mine. You should be able to tell us exactly what happened. Me patriotia say nti sane akwa me won say Daro I send message say mo be ma me penia ka me send team product na you want so nti wadaro ma say obe ma me mre a say obe me patriotia me kan.
Yes.
Hello. And you credit report in the answer no. We okay and answer.
Yeah.
Follow up.
Yeah, me okay. Me jidi say a man for be bring my own say questions back pa anything no. Let me go for a quick commercial break. Yeah ba afi member a man for so am joining was Zoom any Facebook ni nyina ho kwan na wo so edium questions de aba. Wo Zoom no so na say wo question bi a yeah call commercial break quickly. Yeah ba pe ubetimi ama wonsa so na wabusa ma frel na wo the question no de aba. Sa so na wo hwe on Facebook and say YouTube nso a ubetimi e the question no e the afa comment section hono mo e the amayen making kan ni nyina ama Jeffrey enso amayen ho emuaye ntino sabre ye dane ho afa nkrato ye bape ye the question time no e beto aso.
Hi, I want to say a very big thank you to Taptap Send for supporting our clean and safe water project at Samlesi Aplesu in the Yilo Krobo constituency, Ghana. When I sent a video of how the people of Samlesi Aplesu are struggling and suffering to get clean and safe water, Taptap Send decided to donate 3,000 Ghana to support the project. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much. Without you, we wouldn't have been able to raise the 14,000 Ghana needed to drill a clean and safe borehole pipe for the community of Samlesi Aplesu. Thank you so much. I also want to thank all your customers. I want to say thank you so much, right? It is because of you that Taptap Send has been able to support us. Thank you so much.
Yo, Abusafo, yesan Emma Wakwaba BM Ede Obajumadi Ayatu Nidin say time with Taptap Send on OT Media TV. Ene yene First National Bank representative Jeffrey Abwaje Mensa ene jitrin komo about mortgages in Ghana, especially with First National Bank. One my product a omo ewo ekwanya obefa so documents a uhia obetimi ede aye application and processing so omo de befa mu ansa na omo atimi approve loan ede amount ene de uhia nyina wabobo ni nyina so de atwen sabre ebia okan bibi wa antiase anasa wasem bisa bi a obetimi ede aba ene ntima yenko eye zoom no so sabre yewo yenua berima tachi ewo ahoma zoom no so our man in Sasun Titaki, ubetimi our meet you na with the question no ede aba na Jeffrey Eyanwama.
Okay, but that's say kwama me kwan say me misa de ehame. All kasa no oka insurance asem ene de me clear ho say woto dan ya wo ye insurance abibisi a obetimi anya your friend say insurance for no betimi aboa ma ho ato wo ho no. But there all kasa one can who asem me person me twa na dwen si so say bia bibi wo ho sa na bibi ti say okay me wo hai me ankasa me ye obi adwuma bosome so a na yetua meka na me ma decide say me ye bibi e wo Ghana ebetimi aba say enye dan sie mpo ebetimi aba say me to asase ana say me pese me ye adwuma foforo bi me ye farming something like that. Okay ma ba mo ho abeje bosia me depend say adwuma na me ye o ha no no eno ho na me di TSS ga no but you think about the disadvantages and advantages too. So now bibia betimi asia nipa no bia na yade abono ontimi nya adwuma ne bio no atumi atwa sa mortgage no sisi ya no dien no mbe afa ho ena na no so no sa question we your friend say question we akoma tap send ankasa me try say nka me send this guy ko Togo ena Burkina Faso but omo catch them say me request country am person me de kan ho but me request Togo no up to now me ntehwe ena GT bank so me kan ho asem na no so still me nya hu bibia madam ase
Teji tap send meaning say dar ebe ya no e de ama ba mami fancy adaro be wano Jeffrey fatne question na obusai no emaye yetio.
Okay, all right, me that's it. Me te dio kanasia akako ye say waje bosiana na waje mortgage na along the line the sign the we say na esan ato e bia ye permanent corporate e bia owu assembly na
yeah, excuse me. Who are some dear saying your friend say bad debt. And yeah, bad debt. Nipa no tia.
There's a who are making provision that say who are bad debt to the company.
Okay,
man na onya no my wife.
Say who ye Juman. Okay. It's me mount two scenarios. The first scenario ne say who ye Juman along the line, what is word? So I say Bibi atoama we lose to adwuma enti na yeka say we are there to offer better services no e wo so oye den uti hu che ntem kra bia obe free aso yeka chen say baby month ye bebe bibi nti me lose adwuma enti sisi atse na be tia ye no yenkofo no beje we wo okwe atum omni penifo beji hu nkomo ye obi be a friend no payment holidays say bibi sa towa ye pese ye investigation ne hu se ampa bibi say na yeden ato enti saa no ye bebusa question e be hia evidence ampa se wo do so adwuma na say 3 months bi ne de be ma now they ahwehwe adwuma ye de be ma so ati ase enti ano no wo ho na wo ho so na ebia wo ye factory adwuma na bibi ato ebia won sabi bibi serious issue and also so no life insurance no so fair bia ebe protect you. Insurance company no everything pay off loan no sharp amount because they say I no be ato why you are serious I want me on hwe want me nya adwuma na so wan nya adwuma be den when you schedule check internal share life insurance and say ye mortgage no man also for life insurance obetimi age life insurance no so that at the end of the day if God forbid something is to happen to you right now and you're not able to pay your mortgage, the life insurance will come in to pay off the loan for you. I hope say min cheche mu no you okay ma.
I clear because we beat this already by na lockdown almost 6 months no be any adwuma. Nti ne bibi sa no me feel say I was see bisa na ye hu ye betimi aye because all the one sha na say one bi mu ya o chena na kwakofa asem.
Okay, Tachi, my member ha kakra na mimbusa Jeffrey. Jeffrey, oba memfa ne say Chrome ha. There are other insurance, BT say payment protection insurance. I say OG loan and I say OG mortgage. Ubetimi I take that cover no in an event of say bia we lose we juma unye juma for some time. Is there any other insurance policy bi oho no mo sa ebetimi cover obi we losing a juma no ntimi nya ne repayment ana?
Kasi me hu bibi sa dia na meboa. So far the minimum say ebetimi aboa mortgage me life insurance and mortgage protection and I say property insurance. I don't pay na so far minimum. But oba ye ho property insurance na ye mandatory. Life need the opa and now it is
okay.
So far I don't pay na minimum nyanti bibi sa afi na beba na mbehu bia nya nyan whatever.
Enti no na chese wo chiremu a life insurance no ebetimi cover say obi a losing adwuma ebema omo aye repayment ama onipa nana.
There be I just will lose adwuma. So we lose adwuma, you should tell us say I've lost my job. Then you request for what I mentioned we call the payment holiday. It's payment holiday, you know, and on the end you're investigating who's you've lost your job. Okay. Ne amount to look for a different job. In Tisano, it's 3 months in the 3 months in the count 10 years now kind of so. The patriarchy I say.
Yeah.
So I say for the next 3 months, it will pay Juma. One job center, one power pay Juma for. When you're Juma pay one my young so when you're Juma. When you're Juma after the wedding, which must at here. What at here. But say bit too, science and bit too. Now God forbid maybe get maimed or accidents, be something bad. God forbid if you pass on. The life insurance will help you in the sense that the insurance company will pay off the mortgage for you. That's what I want to explain.
All right. You made that say my M5 for and so ewo Zoom no so me wo obi ni iPhone no users iPhone. About your unmute yourself now for a question, Ebra.
Patrick, good evening. Your family Letitia.
Yo, mommy, yet you.
You, Patrick, person busa some more product before say be a person renovating fear. Then product now will be go for. Among the products now.
Okay. And see, they mention say a homeowner's mortgage or homeowner's mortgage, you know, after say who will feel that. Na ABI fee na wono ohia sika e dia ye fixtures bi kakra bia o improve dan no your product be under the homeowners mortgage a friend of home improvement enti no so person you painting so person to new tiles or ye new fixtures be a TV o person sesa kitchen o person sesa bathroom o ba be just loan na de hia ne say o be train say e dan ne o dia asase no dia wo di mo odo pay slip no bank statement paper obe ma yehu enyoma na obe hia no say bia wo hia files wo hia say so kika bom say invoices because na obe che ya chen bibi me hu say scan ye de ma wa ampa odo bakwa ko ye say adwuma no nyina your product be what say but say adwuma na odi ye no say extension work bi to say e bia wo 2-bedroom house and a 3-bedroom and now dan ye 50 o person ye na brand so and now why you see that no flow so drew so now kai and after the hia bosia e dey ato aso o buy nchen a ye wo home completion loan or ho a no ye be share to say the mechichi mu first no ye be share the different say bill of quantities no quantity to where na ye o ye ma wa e be ma ye hu say o be hia sika e dey aye to level we and extension now here no o be hia sika bi dey atoto we obey making for obey say and no wo enti completion betimi aboa home improvement nso betimi aiden aboa ni nyina gina exactly what you need the money for me patriarchy here
Mpacho I made us a
Yo, mami, you better ask so. Answer ne befa me next question. Remember, Darren so abemuna what they inya no aba. Techi se nano wo busa se wo person send this ka kotugu. Munya hu bibi man besi na munye opesa mo de GT bank. E ka mo list of banks mo obi betimi send this ka ko ho. Eno so still on territory. But you betimi kan bibi afa ho man.
That was a great question, Teti me. Yes, I think the list of banks that we did last week, no, it doesn't happen that quickly. Well, until me call Ghana, 2-3 weeks ago, me share bank before, and to get a bank on board, no, it requires some conversation. Like me share our friends from CBG Bank on Monday because they happen to be in London, and we talked about what we would do. So there is some work that we have to do to add the banks into the same major list, no, into if you have some more list, give it to me, but it will take us a number of weeks before we add the banks that I've collected sort of last week and the weeks before. So Nana is working on the list and we would work on it into my time kakra. The countries, no, new countries, no, it takes even more time to launch the new countries. They say, we are working on opening new countries. Togo there, it's kakra, into we didn't have it's not on our immediate plan, but because Togo ni Benin, those small countries, no. And yet it's not as easy and big as Ghana and now say some other countries are well. That's why I say once we see a request back for people wanting to send money to those countries, no, we'll gather the request and then it makes a business case for us to put time and effort into launching those small countries. Indeed, we are still working on it, and we've got your request. And the more requests we have, no, the more likely we are to dedicate time and effort to work on it. And the banks too, we are working on it. So keep telling us what banks you want. Hopefully, Dana, I think that's answered the question.
Yo, me da say, yen call Zoom no so na yen fa YB iPhone, but you unmute yourself na for a question, bra. But you udin wa ha YB iPhone. Ye too.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
So good evening.
Good evening, no. Ye too when you marry.
My question na me pese tap na me kasa kakra. Me fan say we are app no by no my isua since by my isua me wait ba be 2 weeks near me so na say me find difficulties kakra. Omo big say me family ID emra me send the ID live bia de koy. But still me send this can it take me time. It take me more time and send this kana kwade say me sign for year course me ade. It na me person me find out the entire ya na yes.
Okay, my main next question enka ho na me my mom kwan no the answers aba enti yemfa adwoa so ama ne nsa so e wa ha no mo adwoa mpacho obetimi e de question aba
yo me pacho me damase ebusia for me cheche mu nyina bidi so bi ahoye
nyame na dumi nyina ahoye
yeah because free Germany na me question no de me brother wo Italy kasa asisi em say me use tap send no ache kakra na am fan say be 2-3 months ni me find difficulties ni mentia senti e ma me delete app no na me sa download ye na the same thing me send this car say me send me tax bibi e just me call app no so bi enti na mentia say the one time because na me wo hospital na my sister kuma friend me say or send this car for free but I say tax na say tax be me send this car me say me tax bia enti oya na me say okay so almost tax bia na me tax between wo from ha no hwehwe me papers no na eyi bi na send and so send and the same thing up to now be 3 months or 4 months me you should tap send ni bi and no tap send no and your brother Jeffrey na sem no so I work na your bank mortgage me dey keke hon me fan say me ukrom ha but because of 1 or 2 reasons pintino me nya adwuma full time but me obi am pay enti say me fan say me beji loan no ho As a semi providing me 8 hours contract na say ombehwe me sika meje hu e no mo de ama me loan na me question na no idamasi
Yo, Mamenfa Jeffrey Indikan na me de tap send 2 questions nearby no. Mama tap sending so no e de amaye. So Jeffrey.
Okay, but that's a pa. Matthias here. Me akasa ma me wo Germany nti me review assistant here. But akwakoye say say oje aketua no bosome. Na say for a reason no untime my contract ni mpa. Yen de na akwakoye say consistency. I was see who say bosome bia no this sika no. Enti every month bia say 300 for 800 euro never ever talk konto mu a you say 800 na tom every month be aye hu e wo bank nti you say 3 months no nti say bank statement na obeji abreye no obe translate e be last page ni keke e bia oje 3 months April May June die no aye translation for June no nti ehwe na ehu sampa every month na 800 be tom e bia scan be tom a obetua odan kaye ni nyina obechi jase but and only nye problem ni dodo sen and a bound chain bosome so at ya say so we adwuma na 3 hours na say bosome no you hu say 3 hours sika na uchi sika na say ya say sika na ebetimi ama wonya bosua e bia be $80,000 $50,000 $40,000 $30,000 e de be ma and yes preko na so ye adwuma 8 hours and Sunny Akase there be o qualify there be and say bosumi bia onya akatua o qualify.
Okay.
Bosumi bia onya akatua o qualify. Bachana.
Mate, me that's
Obetimi atoa so e de amaye. May share questions by for tap send the experience that they are going through.
Yes, absolutely. So I think Amajane, Mr. YB, iPhone, Germany and Italy. There is. I mean, I'm very sorry that you are experiencing problems, and we would like to try and help. So what I would like to do is say, if you have maybe a number or something on that you can give to us on the Zoom chat, you can directly talk to me and talk to Nana on the Zoom chat, and then we can take your details and then we can try and sort it out. Because I know that this question comes up every week, right? Which is the documents that you have to upload to Taptap Send to continue sending. We have some regulations we have to abide by those regulations. Into send it over a certain amount each year. The regulators require we collect some documents from you. Normally in your tax, just something to show that you are working and you are making money. It doesn't have to be the money that you are sending into, as long as you can show, just like how Jeffrey said, you are getting income coming in. No, it proves to us, Juma, and there is a legitimate reason that you are getting money. So that's okay. So we don't need to we don't need the detail of about 8 hours and our tax. We just need to show, you have a source of income. And now ID, now we're uploading. So normally, it's okay to upload, but we also know that it's not always that easy and straightforward to upload. And it's also not questions that you like answering, because may say, I'm not too happy. So maybe some say, bring your pay slip and how do you make your money? It's not something that I like asking, because I know they are easy for us to answer. So I understand that as well. Until I may say, if you are on this call and you can talk to me on the chat, I will take your details. We'll get somebody to call you and we'll get somebody to try and talk you through it and try and resolve it. But why be iPhone? I can't see why your transactions will be delayed, because once you approve it with documents, now everything is okay. Then it should be fine, unless there is a problem somewhere else. But I know, so may I sure say, only a casa, we can try and resolve that and find a way to make it smoother for you. I'm here, Nana is here, and we can find a way to if you can chat to me on the chat, then let's do that. That'll be great.
Yo, abusiafo a mo Zoom no so Ye jumedie ya ye be jai streaming on all the social media platforms na Taptap send them penny for our platform you see animo edin komo sima enum egosi sima edu entem enti se pon a me se wa menko why be ye mame adwoa animo amoka ho amo issues about Taptap send and as mu face challenges bia no omo ha no mo animo ebetwetwe sa enkomo no wo betimi de mo numbers amomo ombe ma customer service team afremo no ma hwe how best ombetimi aboamo yo yenko questions ewa ha no so we ebusa se ose owo wa invest in treasury bills every month bia sika eba na adwuma nso a oye no oye adwuma kakra e de ka ho such a person no under self employment no obetimi anase ni situation we no oye qualified to apply for a loan ana ni etoso mienu nso obi busa se edien ena ebema First National Bank ebeka no to a loan application or a mortgage application. Jeffrey.
Okay, Medase. Let me take the first one, which is the one who asks about the fact or Tika T-bills, our investments. Who will be bisa I think the product a bit fatal the save to own mortgage, you know. Ideally, you know, upe bosia e was so ye juma. Akwa say unye juma. I mean, even if so we need two investments, so investment you get me see and then you na the we are see consider no obia nyoma sisa. What your that could be would you see cash investment, what your that could be na storage for proper. And I was so to me prove so ye juma bi. But at least one investment be that. So what's the make I say? And no you go for home share with documents minimum. Products we never see to you better so actually more amawati as ampa we never ebe wow now I day what follow say uye wa won say omo me adwuma na kwa say de bia no msika sem no akwa say eba na ekọ na akwa say one chichi mu anchen ya ye nti wasem na siye e wo so timi chichi mu chen pote se na me ye ebi am ye si the ponyoma say boso me se na mtimi nya na ya checho ye siesio ama na boa because o hia na nani ochne ya e ho na bia be problem because one no sika sem enshana enko user ntu kan okwe ne che be kan okwe na cho because we are sem bia ye no kwe one kan okwe na che customer na ochna nko bi no abesa aba be hawadi ntu kan okwe ne che customer na say na o ye be boa wa saa so pepe ne no be kono nti ano nten eno ne nda ho and the second question no kra what your second question also was it game patcho whatever
second question or say edien enebema First National Bank ebitimi aka no to a mortgage or a loan application
so okay man matin adwuma mu a besi na you better know that means be a work customer na wo bad history akwa say de bia ihia nkofofo de bia ehia adefofo customer bi beba the problem is different from another customer me share that who dakro a obi about the application about say won't look at it no eba ye behwem ye hwem issues e wom no ye hia explanation so oba na credit report ye bad cra you do din komo okay credit report ye bad see na so ye I was so see I was so fighting so the we will resolve it so you see I so you see now kwa say customers ya no mo open in term which we understand but open in term no so no yen so ye pese ye bia at the end of the day no obi ahun beto no issue now the issue ne ba untimi issue for now about mortgage about be part for so be another issue amount because untimi twia nti ye be pese obeka no kre na che o ka no kre na che ya ye be boa say ye hwe na say mo no be take 1 year ye be twen obi on mo be ne oh Jeff me pe dan to okay na mo hwe dan no o be send the credit report e won say the credit report hwe dan nyesa o say okay na Jeff me nye obi o abrochi o cross so be boa me on credit report I come o baba 6 months time no aba am pass na the credit report I clean so at ya say nti more of in cheche than so be buy because hey ye mboa there be nyesa Yes, sir. Yeah, you can say, how can we help you? And see, buy and chair, yeah, mum, you say, wow, and yes, buy, I see that, yeah, sure, that, yes, sir, yeah, be crowded.
Question we my memfa mama saso no na obi se owo efi uncompleted na anye bia obusa se bank na mo betimi ato na mo disika no aye deposit amount for a mortgage ana my memfa other questions na fe o de an emuayaba yemfa Olivia ewo Zoom no so after Olivia no kwaku agimam Badu obeto aso na fe Joseph enso ato aso near the question time no abawie yemfa Olivia Sabre Olivia yetio and as Olivia da
Yeah, me wa ho. Me dini Oliver, ni Olivia.
oh sorry Oliver my apologies Oliver
Ese
yetio
me joining late na me pese me hu loan no interest any term no a mo ye for how many years na mo demand for mortgage. Any interest rate am charge.
my memfa kwaku agiman ento aso kwaku to aso man na yemfa questions me ensano na yemfa muayemra hello
Pacho Timinka.
ya jon kapa kwaku
Pacho, we me send my send we no me question no me there we must send but the point here. Na me person me who say your resident permit any your pay slips na tap or my upload no. How safe and secure is it? So me we are no there no mo so a mo dispose o hen fa. Nti o mo ye
okay
tap rep no.
Nana Ademako ewo line so yeah Darren so wo no omo be fast question na mame fa me last question from Joseph ye tie wanyumre
hello good evening
sir
mpacho nidiemu a me join late kakra ba baby kakra beto so no me wo question me nim ebia na omo edikan busa but me pese me put it out ebia omo bisa na omo busa ya me wo Italy na me ti se kakra me join no me ti se na o kase omo mortgage no they normally deal with pounds and dollars. Na me pese me bisa say bia me wo Italy na me ye adwuma all right ye bibia na me per mortgage bi efiri omo ho e dia e bia to own a house. Na me pese me to fear. Do I have to still pay in convert the euros to omo dollars na say UK na, or they go by they will agree to go by euro no whatever thing. Anu ya ne dika na ne tosu tu no say omo mortgage no to say to own a house no himfa na normally no omo buildings no structures no bronu ben na Ghana no ewo ebia te say ebi wa Accra ebi wo Accra ebia Kaso ebi wa ha no me pese me hu na say ebia metumi if possible further discussions betumi ama me nsaka omo photos of omo building ebia 2 rooms 3 rooms na me hu say metumi a proceed a contact omo for mortgage that's
yo yendi kan enfan free tap send nana any Daro mobetimi adi muaye kakra ba questions by
Yeah, so let's deal with the security one first. So we are our app is very secure. Everything we do is very secure because we are tightly regulated by the same regulators that regulate the banks. So we have the same regulators, which means that we have to be very, very tight on security, and we have to comply with every single law on security that there is. Yes, it's important to you, the documents you give to us. So we don't cut any corners, we don't do any funny business. We are doing everything we can to keep your documents secure and to keep your things secure and what's important to you secure. So, Mr. Moa, don't worry about uploading your things. It's not going anywhere. We are complying by the law and we are keeping your things very secure. So I'll give you my wholehearted total confidence there. We are secure and the things you are giving us are kept very securely. And we only use it for the purpose that we are supposed to use it for, according to the laws that we have to. That's hopefully that gives you some confidence there. The things that you upload to Taptap Send are secure. I don't know what the other second question was. Second question was about, what was it? I'm not sure what it was about again. So
all right, Jeffrey. So if there's any other way, be a explanation, be a only pakobesa busana yediaba. Yeah, na yedi jumedie no aba area. Jeffrey, pacha obefa question I buy for.
Okay. All right. Let's start with the last question. Rise the question. And see, the last person who say Ghana ha himfa dying himfa na tiny developers daily and Visa. Ye baby ye kaswa, ye takrade, ye kumase. Ya yesu nyane crafting. Ye kumase, ye inti once akwa say this one chain baby kwa opedai no. Oba ya so ye obeka che say ha na opedai na ye behwe so na ya ye den. Bibi e behia fi obi ye beka che say be behia we. Ni ahwe so de aboa. Inti Ghana have a the hands of the country and said, me to dine war, be a brony way so, and I'm buying the property in Accra, I'm getting the property, be a Kaswa Tema, everywhere. Just let us know. And was also beside you say, or say, or Italy, inti, or Euro, na obetime access to Euro facilities, and as of now, the facilities a dollar, pound and Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis no kwakwa say omomti Ghana ha no they qualify for Ghana cedi mortgages. But what's now to UK for example, I'll qualify for pound. And to only say no betimi I choose so budget dollar no. And no pen betimi I qualify for. And tisana and also akwakwa. And obisu busa say opese ye boa no ton the time. You betimi aboa to dan your units be your promo recoveries units or more say oh dine per se wow now turn dine what the buyer so yeah bit me adding you don't be call agreements na ya boa why am one ton to say akwa say bibia onye bia no e nkomodie what be kind problem a chair me a share solution e be boa near their culture cause the dine wage money a dine assassin. So what what die up as I top and down bibia e be boa. And now obisu interest rates. Currently near dollar rates are 12.5% per annum for 20 years. The pound rates are 11.85% per annum. And also here for 10 years. And see the all share wow. Or by your calculations now, the other one you pay amount. Yet sure now we need Juma or catching I will change it. Sana I hope say answers all the questions.
Jeffrey, me said the Jumedine corner. I think we need to continue this conversation next week. Yeah, to us, I can and ye. My family last question. Na Yemfa Jumedino, Embry, Nyame Adma. Next week we will continue this conversation. We will bring them back again. And into Yemfa Ezekiel. Ezekiel, one man has some patcho or meet yourself now for a question, bra. And I say Ezekiel wada. You say Ezekiel and me I'm funny question and bad there. Quickly I will take Jeffrey last words I will be giant and Numre. Nyame Aduma next week you know you be sign at the First National Bank assign Abavium. na yakɔ tap sending so my last words yeah and this streaming na yeah tap send for ebetwen ewo Zoom platform no so na any further questions via our person busa tap send no ubebusa Jeffrey yemfa last words.
Okay, but that's I think say the bit me kind of say be media me ho to bank ne wo to assist obibia enya fe na ye be yimu obi beka so edwuma ye no e bia 2 hours edwuma 3 hours edwuma 4 hours edwuma there be ye show bia enti oba offer me the contact to her my telephone number and my email address and answer mpo betim dey afa Daryl so and I obefo bia so opeso obey opeso opese eboa just feel free just contact us. Tell us your problem. My issues, then we'll make sure that we provide a tailor services to your issues. Mortgage, and to say UK mortgage, there's nothing different. It's the same thing. But Ghana, the crown for the time crash making sure say open down say baby are buying soccer buying at the embra so Femusa, just so canteen chrono. Say I cry open dine work aswa or ye be ama man tema oya fa a brie baby say takra de ope or beach road baby up here catch say ope see ne ahwe so dia boa o frɛ me a bɛboa o frɛ call center o so person on Jeff kasa ye be connect to ama me time bia ope bia betimi afrɛ me be adwuma anytime bia o frɛ me a betimi answer questions na ya hwɛ so dia boa o nti the betimi aka no but that's so far for akonya we I'm very grateful. Thank you very much to Daryl. Thank you everyone. I'm sure my boss next time definitely you get to meet him. He's also a very fine person. He'll be more than willing to explain a lot to you. No can put the WhatsApp which has at night to senior man more into betting at church will be here the betting there. I had the Madam Asibebre. That's it.
Jeffrey, you better say, and then you may say, once you are quite any ever train and come on. I was therefore Jeffrey Abwaji Mensa from First National Bank, and you may Obeka and Honey train and come on. Wamaye product omowo ekwan abefa so a any documents a wo hia ubetimi applies to any of their products that is in the market at the moment. And it is a open say or contact Jeffrey ubetimi send an email to jeffrey.mensa@firstnationalbank jeffrey@mensa@firstnationalbank.com.gh jeffrey.mensa@firstnationalbank.com.gh ni phone number Ghana number or the Ghana code no eka ho a ni telephone number no +233 246 627 942 +233 246 627 940 Jeffrey ewo First National Bank. Nyame aduma next week yebesan ediomaba. I'm very sure and confident say omo Penny Pa executive director Ora Kwajo Ado Kufuor ono enobe join here next week no ne atwetwe nkomo again on mortgages. Sabri yebefa Daro na any nana adomako no mama yen last words. Now if you are in this stream no, but we will keep the conversation going on about Taptap Send on the Zoom platform.
What's it Daryl? Daryl, because nobody can forget Daryl. But anyway, I'm also Daryl. So, Jeffrey, thank you very much. Yeah, that's a part. I mean, this was a very, very detailed, step-by-step guide to how to get mortgages in Ghana. I learned a lot from it, and it was great to hear what he had to say. It looks like these guys know a lot and they know what they're doing. What I'm trying to do as director for Taptap Send is to bring you what matters to you. And what I know is that a lot of you clearly are interested in mortgages in Ghana, in homes in Ghana. So I'm going to ask our host if he doesn't mind for us to continue again next week, and we can bring Jeffrey and Adam on the line. That's his boss. So we can talk more about this, because what we want to do is give you more time to answer all your questions, because you said sometimes on these calls we have an hour and a half and we overrun, and it's not always possible to ask all your questions. And sometimes we miss the questions because there were comments in Yama. So it's been great having you. But next week, if Nana is okay, it's okay, we'll continue this topic. And please bring your friends, bring your aunties, bring your cousins, bring your people. Let's listen to this, because it looks to me, it's very simple and straightforward to get a mortgage through Ghana Home Loans or First National Bank. All you have to do is give them all the documents, and then they can work it out. And Jeffrey, so he's given us his details. So I hope, sir, one or two of you would find this useful, and one of you would, or two of you would take this forward. Last word from me today. They say, I thank you all for coming. I'll be here. Jeffrey will sign off because he's been great and he's been fantastic. But Metinaha, I'll be here. I'll answer your questions. Those of you who have specific questions about Taptap Send account, name one or two things that you have, I'll be here to answer those. Nana Ademako is out and about somewhere, so she can't talk right now. But I'll be here, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. It's been great having you. Nana Kwame, that's it for now.
Yo, abusuafo Samuel Boche ene Albert Bediako Mr. Momo fanche me mint me emfa mo questions no enne edai name said ya darokai no nyame yaduma. Next week we will continue the same topic, and definitely Jeffrey is coming, and we are going to get the executive director in charge of home finance, First National Bank, Ora Kwejo Ado Kufuor, obe joining na oni atwetwe enkomo. There are a lot that we need to cover under this mortgages in Ghana. Enti say question ye ntimi amfa ye rain fee nyame adma next week ye besan atoaso. Meeting any Nana Kwame Osei. I've been your host this evening, and ye better tap sending so as say every Friday bia omukita ye muma yitimi edi dwumadie ebrel. Na no bi busam say na dwumadie kra edi enti na tap send for air ye. Tap send enye usika na ode fa omo so ede akọ Ghana ne nko ani hia omo. Na emum ni hia omo enso ne se ombeboa omo customers for them to be able to do something back home. Owning a home in Ghana priority say your customers nyina betimi atofie e Ghana. Anything some of these speakers bro no be more information where said you make an informed decision when it comes to investment back home. Meeting any Nana Kwame Osei to nyame adma next week ye be sign enwehia yakramo nemum twen tap send question bia daro honum so be yi anu ama yakramo.
Hi, welcome to Yoho. Thanks to First National Bank that have declared the year 2021 as the year of home ownership, I will be taking you through a series of episodes where we'll be touching on the entire home acquisition cycle, from how to apply for a mortgage, how to buy land, and also what type of documentation do you really need to make your application eligible. First National Bank is here to provide home loan solutions for everyone, and also to ensure a successful conclusion on your entire home acquisition journey. Join me every Friday and let me walk you along the journey in acquiring your dream home. First National Bank, how can we help you?
Reminding you that this is the sound of Africa. OT Radio is live and alive. This is the time we open the house of this. This is the newest version, of course, the greatest time of our moments now. OT Radio has come to stay. Tune in on www.otradiouk.com, and of course we have live activities more coming on politics, sports, social entertainment, and everything that you request. My name is Sankofat Tinan, so I'm going to be part and parcel of it. And of course, OT Radio has come to say this is the sound of Africa. Welcome.
deal with any questions that you have about TapTap Send. So I'm